So there is an update on the account. Today is Wednesday, 15th October. As you can see, current balance of the account currently on one trade left, which is the USD Swiss franc minus $4. As you can see, stop loss and take profits. No pending orders left. So this is the trade that I took today. Stop loss. Over myself. So I hit take profits. Yes, that.